Island unveils its strategy to combat the ongoing overdose epidemic. It's a troubling issue we've been tracking for months. At least 85 Rhode Islanders have died of drug overdoses since the start of 2014. Now, healthcare officials and law enforcement are teaming up to get addicts the help they need. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us live now with the mobile newsroom.
For years, heroin addiction was kept hidden under a cloak of shame, but now, facing a frightening spike in the number of deaths from heroin in Rhode Island, agencies are teaming up to tackle the problem together.
Excuse me, please. I've lost 2 children to overdose.
Elise Reynolds is one of the faces of heroin's carnage, but she's far from alone. In the first 3 months of this year, 80 people died of heroin overdoses in Rhode Island. That's a death rate 10 times the rate of deaths by homicide. So the leaders of various state agencies gathered at a recovery center in Pawtucket and spoke as a team.
People with cancer need multiple rounds of treatment. People with HIV need to stay on treatment. And people with addiction, we need to talk about it. We need to help them get into recovery. We need to help them get into treatment.
Each and every life is important and is valuable, even those struggling with addiction.
For Abby Stenberg.
Abby Stenberg is an addict who told us she's grateful the stigma of addiction no longer is what it once was.
Recovery does not have to be a secret. It doesn't have to happen in the dark anymore. People don't have to be ashamed because it's a disease and it's a public health crisis.
And here you are talking to the colonel of the state police.
Yeah.
But Sean,
about
you
your
gotta
addiction.
realize, besides that, there's a cross-section of everybody. We have troopers, we have family members that people affected by it, it's not this disease that people just think it is.
Another speaker said a public health crisis of this magnitude demands the teamwork approach it's now getting in Rhode Island. Live with the mobile newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.